Hey everyone, I'm Tracy, and today I'll show you how to set up a progress bar on your Shopify store. By the end of this video, you'll have a progress bar that not only looks great, but drives customers to spend more, unlocking rewards like free shipping, discounts, and free gifts. Now let's jump in and start building your first progress bar from scratch. First, you'll need to have the BOGOS app installed. Before we move on, there's one important thing to note. The progress bar is designed only to show how close your customers are to unlocking their rewards. It doesn't automatically apply the reward itself. To do that, you'll need to set up your gift offers separately. So, I recommend creating your gift offers first, then matching your progress bar goals to those offers. For mine, the first goal is spending $100 to get free shipping. I've already created a matching offer, as you can see here. The next goal works the same way. But for the last one, 30% off the total cart, I used a Shopify discount instead. The key is to make sure every goal in your progress bar matches its offer. On the left sidebar, click Booster. That's where you'll find the progress bar setup. In the Progress Bar tab, click on Add to start setting up your progress bar. Now, let's start with the general settings. Right down here, you'll see Bar Name. This is for your internal management. You should start with the main feature keyword and then differentiate it by date or purpose. Mine is Progress Bar Black Friday 2025. Next, we have the bar title. This is what customers will see on your store, so make it clear and motivating. I'll enter one more step to your reward. Then you can set a start time and end time to schedule your progress bar. Once that's set, let's move on to how the progress bar will track progress. You have two options here, cart value or cart quantity. With cart value, the progress bar will track based on the total amount in the cart. With cart quantity, it tracks the total number of items. I'll show you exactly how this works with real examples when we get to the goal section. Now that our basic settings are ready, let's move to the filters. You can choose a product filter if you want the progress bar to apply only to certain products or collections, with a drop-down here. Then there's the location filter. This one lets you show the progress bar only in certain countries or exclude specific regions. Now, we're at the goal section. You have two options here, single goal or multiple goals. I'll start by showing you the single goal first. The value field represents the count progress option you selected earlier. For example, if you choose cart value and enter 100, it means that when a customer's cart reaches $100, the progress bar will show that they're eligible for the reward. Now let's fill in the rest of the details. Then, select an icon for your goal from the available icons, or you can also upload your own. For the countdown message, you'll see a default message. The remaining value placeholder automatically calculates how much more customers need to spend, so make sure to keep that in your message and just customize the text around it. You can also change the success label. Now let's switch to multiple goals. It works the same way. Each goal uses the same fields I just showed you. You're just adding more milestones. For this example, I'm creating 3 reward tiers. My first goal is to reach $100 for free shipping. My second is to buy $300 and get a free gift. For the last one, it's to buy $500 and receive a 30% off voucher for their order. Here's the fun part. Customization. You can show or hide elements, adjust icon sizes, and even tweak the bar height. BOGOS also includes ready-made themes, or you can customize colors to match your brand perfectly. Once it looks the way you want, let's preview how this will look to customers. The preview lets you see all 3 states: when the cart is empty, when a goal is reached, and when the final reward is unlocked. When everything looks great, Click Publish to make your progress bar live in your store. Here I am in a store with an empty cart. You can see the progress bar at the top displaying "Add $100 to unlock free shipping," along with all the reward icons. I'll add one product. See how the bar instantly updates? It now tells me exactly how much more I need to spend. Let me add another item to reach that $100 threshold. There we go. The bar fills up completely, and the success message appears, "Free shipping unlocked." I will add more to see how it looks when the second goal is reached. Oh, I see. And finally, let's see how the final goal will work. If you want to try this out, BOGOS offers a free plan with 30 free order generated by BOGOS. Then you can upgrade with a 7-day free trial. Just click the link in the description below, and you can have your progress bar live in minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.